నమస్తే అండి అందరికీ. మేము అసలు అనుకోలేదు కాలేజీలో జాయిన్ చేసినప్పుడు, అసలు ఇక్కడి వరకు వస్తుందని అనుకోలేదు. ఎందుకుగా చదివేస్తున్నాం, హోటల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అంటే ఏంటి అనుకున్నా. కానీ అసలు మేము అసలు అది ఏమీ ఆశ్చర్యపోతున్నాండి. అసలు తెలియట్లేదు మాకు ఎంత ఆనందం. చాలా చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉందండి. కాలేజీ అందరికీ, సార్లకి, మొత్తం అందరికీ మా వందనాలండి. హోటల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అంటే ఏంటో అనుకున్నారు కానీ జాయిన్ చేయని పిల్లలు చాలా చాలా మేము అసలు అమెరికానే అనుకోలేదు. మేము అసలు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. హోటల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ వెనకాడద్దు, పిల్లలందరినీ జాయిన్ చేయమని కోరుతున్నాను.
Hello everyone, this is Kavya Sudha from Western College of Hotel Management, Vijayawada. I'm honored to say you that I have been selected for J1 visa in Horseshoe Bay Resort, which is located at Texas. I extend my thanks to all the management and the staff from the first day who guided me and also given us the sufficient knowledge and also the subject skills. I recommend for who are interested in hotel management, do join in Western College of Hotel Management. Thank you.
My name is G. Naga Venkataja and I am from Pamatu. I have been selected for the hotel domain Bahrain. I feel very thankful to the college for the support, guidance and helped me to get into this opportunity. My mentor Mr. Kamal Sharma has a huge part in my performance regarding theory and practical classes. My director sir, principal and training coordinator guided me and supported me a lot. And I suggest everyone to join this Western College of Hotel Management, the people who are really interested in the hospitality industry. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Lakshman Reddy. I currently pursuing Western College of Hotel Management. I select for domain of Bahrain Hotel. I located by Mana. With thankful my director sir and principal sir and housekeeping my lecturer Anand sir. Thanks sir.
Greetings to everyone. I am Yashwant. I am currently pursuing hotel management in Western College of Hotel Management in Vijayawada. I have been selected from domain Bahrain. I am glad that fully trained in housekeeping department Mr. Anand Kaushal. Thankful to Western Director Mr. Durga Prasad, Principal Mr. Chandrasekhar, Training Coordinator Mr. Rahul Lari. I am very excited to work with domain group. Thank you.
నమస్కారం అండి. మా బాబు హోటల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ లో జాయిన్ అవ్వటం మరి మాకు అంతగా తెలిసేది కాదు. మా బాబు ఇష్టంగా నేను ఇక్కడ హోటల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ చేయాలని ఒక ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కలిగింది బాబుకి. మరి మేము హోటల్ ఇక్కడికే వచ్చాము, విజయవాడ వచ్చి బాబుని జాయిన్ చేశాము. మరి బాబు ఇంటర్న్షిప్ కూడా మరి దుబాయ్ వెళ్ళాడండి. ఇంటర్న్షిప్ 6 నెలలు పూర్తి చేసుకొని వచ్చాడు. ఒక మంచి సర్టిఫికేట్ తీసుకొచ్చినందుకు మాకు కూడా సంతోషం అనిపించింది. మరి బాబు ఈ విధంగానే మళ్ళీ సంవత్సరం తిరగకముందే అమెరికా వెళ్ళటం కూడా మాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉందండి. మరి ఈ కాలేజీకి చాలా మంది పిల్లలు చేరాలని చెప్పేసి అని ఎంతమందికో ఇష్టంగా హోటల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ చేయాలని అందరి పిల్లలకి ఉంటది. కాబట్టి తల్లిదండ్రులుగా మీరు బాబును కృషి చేసి ఇక్కడ కాలేజీలో జాయిన్ చేసి ఇంత మంచి మరి అవకాశం వచ్చింది కాబట్టి యుఎస్ వెళ్ళాలని మనం అంటే పంపించలేం కాబట్టి కాలేజ్ తరఫున ఇటువంటి బాబుకు వచ్చినందుకు మేము చాలా కృతజ్ఞతలుగా తెలియజేస్తున్నాం.
Hello everyone, my name is Soma Kalyan. I'm a hotel management student from Western College of Hotel Management, Vijayawada. I'm glad to say that I got selected J1 visa in Kalahari Resort and Convention Center, which is in Round Rock, Texas. At last, I would like to thank our director, Mr. Durga Prasad sir, and principal, Mr. Chandrasekhar sir, and all my faculties, those who are supported me in my journey. And also, I strongly recommended to join Western College of Hotel Management. Those who are interested, please do join Western College of Hotel Management, Vijayawada. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Zimbe. I am from Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. I am currently pursuing second year in Bachelor of Science, Hospitality and Hotel Administration from Western College of Hotel Management. I am very happy to say that I am studying in Western College of Hotel Management, where Western have given me a wonderful opportunity that I have been selected for Dubai World Trade Center in UAE. I really thank each and everyone, Principal sir, Director sir and Training Coordinator. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Tejasvi. I am very glad and happy to say that I have got selected in DWTC. I am very thankful for all Principal sir, director sir and all the faculty for giving me a wonderful opportunity to reach the higher standards of my life. I highly recommend the hotel management students to join in Westin and reach their goals. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. I'm Bhagyasri. Currently, I'm studying in Western College, Vijayawada. Today, it is very popular in Vijayawada, and I'm very thankful to our faculty to encouraging me in every time that according to my studies and interviews, job purpose, anything. If it is personal issues also, they are encouraging me, they are motivating me. They are the inspirations. Our directors and our principals, I would like to thank to them very well. I am very feeling proud to get an opportunity in DWTC, Dubai World Trade Center.
Hi everyone, my name is Sai Rajesh. I am from Vijayawada. I am studying in hotel management in Western College, which is in Vijayawada. I am so happy to selected in DWTC in Dubai, and thank you for Western College, and thank you for principal sir and director sir, and for supporting for me and my staff, lecturer staff, and thank you all.
Hello everyone, my name is Santosh. I'm a hotel management student studying from Western College, Vijayawada. It could have not been possible without our college support. The moment I stepped in the Western College, I was thrilled by seeing the dedication of the faculty and the management. I attended and participated in various internships, webinars, seminars conducted by our college. At last, I am very grateful for providing this opportunity. Thank you.
I am Tejasvi from Western College, Vijayawada. Got a great opportunity to begin a new chapter in my life in DWTC Dubai, and it's a great opportunity to explore myself towards the industry, and I'm very thankful to my faculty in the college, and it's a great opportunity to me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shruti. I am studying in Western College, Vijayawada. I am very delightful to my college for providing me with special skills and talents through which I have gotten an opportunity to work in DWTC Dubai, and I would be very grateful to them throughout my career. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohan Reddy. I am studying in Vijayawada, Western College of Hotel Management. I am very glad to announce that I am selected for DWTC, which is in Dubai. Thank you for Western College faculty and directors for supporting us and encouraging us. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Simhadri Sriraman. I am studying in Western College of Hotel Management in Vijayawada. I am selected in Dubai World Trade Center. Thank you from director and principal sir and my staff. Thank you everyone.
Hi everyone, this is Sheikh Imran Sharif. I am very happy and proud to say I am the student of Western College of Hotel Management, Vijayawada. This is a great opportunity, and I am dedicated around that I get selected in DWTC Dubai. And I am very thankful and gratitude towards the Western faculty and the Western management, especially our director sir, Mr. Durga Prasad and Mr. Chandrasekhar sir, to give us such a wonderful opportunities to done internship in DWTC. Thank you.